Hey, what's up guys? Joe here. What do you get when you mix a trailer full of metal and a big open area? That's right guys, you get some dozer action. So, quick little side story on this. A coworker of mine bought that building. This is a picture of it. He purchased it about a year or so ago. He lives in town, in the city, and I told him if he couldn't erect it, give me a shot. Let me try and buy it from him and make a deal. So long story short, he couldn't erect it. We made a deal on it, and I was able to acquire it and bring it home. And it's been sitting on that trailer for a little while now. I needed some grading done because my tractor, to grade the area I need to grade, is just too much work, and my grader is amazing. So contacted him, he came out, he took a look at it, and he gave me a quote of $1,500 to do the grading. You know, me being me, I didn't really want to dish that out, so I tried to see if there was something else we could do. He was cruising through my lot, he saw some stuff I had, and he spotted this. So he asked me what was up with it, and I told him it's sitting there, clean title, clean everything, smog free. California, you know, they're great. They love the smog vehicles out here. So we made a deal on that, and I'm getting the grading for free, and he's going to throw me an extra $1,000. You guys let me know what you think about that. I think honestly he got a good part of the deal, but I made my money back on that, and I'm getting the grading for the shop, so I can't complain. So I just wanted to show you guys what was coming for the future. I'm not going to be able to complete this in this video, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on and everything. I will try and video me assembling that. It's going to take a minute, so you guys just like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and you'll see that get assembled in a video coming up in the future. All right guys, I appreciate all my subscribers for subscribing, commenting, liking, all that stuff. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.